is now going to tell you the story about the airplane ride from LA to, Las Vegas to Hawaii.
Okay.
Go, Arthur.
Can you hear me? Okay, hi. This is Billy Jeannie's brother. And I have a tale, and it's not a tale of fiction. It actually occurred while we were over 2 hours late flying from Las Vegas to Honolulu on the Hawaiian Airlines. So this is what occurred. We all boarded, all 280 some odd people on the plane, and I'm sitting in the rear, about 4 rows from the rear. And so we're taxiing on the, not on the runway, but what's the area called? Where planes are
now
taxiing.
answer him.
Planes are taxiing on the road. It's not called a road. Anyway.
You need to hurry up. My phone's going to be dead.
So the plane all of a sudden lurches as he applies the brakes, because there are other planes in front of us. Now, mind you, this is an A330 airplane, great big stuff. All kind of people on it. It's about almost the size of a 747. So now he hits the brakes again, and now the brakes sound like the plane has a bad brake job. And if you hear crunching, you can actually feel it through the plane. So, I turned to the guy next to him in that seat and I said, man, the plane's got a bad brake job. And I said it somewhat quietly, as I thought I was whispering to my seatmate. But as soon as I said, he chimed in and said, yeah, bad brakes. And the couple behind us said, plane's got bad brakes. So then it was like a contagious effect, had a contagious effect. And it spread throughout the plane, and people were screaming because the pilot kept hitting the brakes on the plane, and it was getting worse and worse. So now he's on the runway. And now, the runway was meant for you to, after 80 miles an hour, he turns to the co-pilot, says, 80 miles an hour, flaps up, or rotate. Yeah, rotate, you pull the yoke back, the plane's starting to take off. Well, he wasn't going 80, he wasn't going 50, he was going about 8 miles an hour. And he kept hitting the brakes. So now people are screaming and yelling on the plane that another plane is going to land on top of us. And so I said, oh my God, he needs to pull off the runway. Well, now he commences to pull off the runway. Now mind you, this whole plane is in an uproar. And so then he gets on the PA system and says, we have bad brakes and they're burning up. Now, mind you, we're sitting on a missile. This plane is so topped off with petrol that if somebody sneezes the wrong way, it's going to go up like a Roman candle. So now people are really intense. And they're starting to grind on the plane. And he's driving this plane about 8 miles an hour. I want to put my foot out of the door and like the caveman, Flintstones, will you hurry to get this thing to the gate? So by the time we get to the gate, they look like they had people dressed up in NASA outfits, about 10 or 20 of them, all dressed up. The fire truck was there, ready to spread. And so as soon as we land, and as soon as we stop, you can hear the brakes are worse. And now you can smell them. And so then the flight attendant, his pilot gets on the PA system and again has another faux pas. He says, everybody disembark the plane now. Don't worry about the luggage. So now everybody's like a jailbreak. I'm rushing the exit. There are 8 of them, but people are trying to get out, yelling and screaming. I said, man, I was sweating beads. I said, oh my God. So after about 2.5 hours, they come on and say, okay, everybody back on the plane. Everything is hunky-dory. So now everybody gets on the plane, and I'm telling you, you could hear a pin drop on that plane. I mean, he got up there, and you could hear the pilot still testing the brakes, and they weren't churning or like they were before. They weren't grinding. They were smoother, and you couldn't smell the oil and the hydraulic fluid. So now the plane took off, and after 2.5 hours, We landed this sucker in Honolulu. And as soon as we landed it, he hit the brakes again, and boy, they started churning up. The whole thing started up again. So that was my adventure in paradise on an A330 bus.
They're asking what airline.
Hawaiian Airlines. Flight. Oh, are somebody actually responding already?
No, they will. When I looked at it, I would say, what airline? Flight
Number 7 that supposedly was supposed to leave at 0900 hours yesterday out of Las Vegas. Oh, but
in Hawaiian Air, if you see this, or any of your people on your company see this, then just send us a free ticket and I'll take it off of YouTube. Thank you.
in the story.
In the story. Sorry, Heather.